dalgona coffee. See, first we take coffee powder, add some hot water to it, and blend it nicely. The taste depends on the blend, so you have to be very careful. If you are not sure, you can take a bit of water. Don't waste coffee. Take a bit of water and try it out first. You will see, slowly you will see that coffee, the blending is working now, and the more nicely you blend, the taste will be, the taste will depend on this kind of blending. So this is the trend. Everyone, please make dalgona coffee in your home. This you have to continue till 5 or 7 minutes to get the actual real taste of Brazilian dalgona coffee. Now the same technique was being used for making butter out of milk, but we have taken this trend of the different social media platforms and we are trying to make, and you can see all our electronic devices are attached to the system. To know the electronic devices which are required, you can see the total setup, so please look into the description. So it is basically one version of dalgona coffee which is assisted by electronic technology, and you can write some codes for that to make this easy. Now you see, because the codes are there, this is working fast, and you can see the whipping. Now please don't use your mixer and grinder or juicer, then you will not get the taste. And this helps you to earn calories as well as burn calories at the same time, because burning, because while you are blending the coffee, you burn a lot of calories, and people are going for morning walks and evening walks. Instead of that, everyone should make dalgona coffee. So you see, I have already lost, there is a counter which shows already I have lost 143 calories. That is what this tracker is for. And slowly the whipped cream is being made. It requires, and instead of you doing yoga, you can make dalgona coffee, because this tests your patience and meditation and everything. So instead of sitting down idle and thinking about what to do or where to go for gym and exercises, you can make a dalgona coffee. See this blender, if you don't have it at home, you can make it at home. For that, see the description which is given above. I have made this at home, okay, using the steel utensils that I had. So I have broken that and made it. So you can see slowly, and now you have to increase the speed of this churning process, this blending, and you see, so it is coming into shape. Now this is the actual, and unfortunately I cannot send you the aroma over the social media, but trust me, this aroma is amusing, and it is, I feel like I have gone into some big coffee shop. And the taste, you see, we have got chilled milk, chilled cow milk. This is one of the essential ingredients of dalgona coffee. Now we take this and slightly, all of you have done chemistry at some point of time, so you remember the titration, and do it nicely so that it fills 2/3 of the container that you are going to use. Yes, and now finally you stop, and like the final time when your titration results come in, you put it aside. So this is the thing, the chilled milk that we have made it ready. And now for that content which we had already designed, now you see, if you remember, we were having this blended coffee, and trust me, it does not depend on the quality of the coffee powder or the coffee beans. the effort will give you the taste. So the kind of effort that you are giving will help in the taste. So please try it at home. These are not professional stunts which cannot be performed in your home. This is what I wanted to give in today's plan. So now we will take 1 teaspoonful of this and very carefully you pour it over. Again, this has to be poured very nicely. So the next level, you pour it like this very carefully. Don't be in a hurry, the coffee can wait for you. And you again take the whipped cream of the coffee. Now what we are making is a homemade Dalgona coffee which is having the aroma better than any coffee shop available in your locality. Anyways, the coffee shops are under lockdown, so what we get is we get a very rich variant of this Dalgona coffee. And now after the now you can see this piece of elegant beauty, and this is what, since this lock time has happened, SKR Productions is manufacturing this coffee at home. For business inquiries, please see the description button. If you want it home delivered safely, you can deliver it through any of the apps that you have. So this is our brand, SKR Productions. We are putting off this brand over here, and whenever you get it in your homes, you get it with this brand. So be careful about this logo, otherwise it is not a valid SKR Productions Dalgona coffee. So we, just to emphasize that, you see we are using branded coffee over here, but any such coffee will be of the same effect and aroma. So if you cannot try it at home, please give us a call. The link is given in the description column, and you will get a pure Dalgona coffee made at home. So this is our recipe for today, ladies and gentlemen. Please try this. These are very useful recipes when you are staying back at home during the lockdown. This gives you a lot of energy and the eagerness to work online. And you see, so this is our Dalgona coffee. Please enjoy.